Hello, my friends. Showcasing your work online shouldn't be a technical challenge. It should amplify your creativity. And that's exactly what Portfolio Pro for WordPress helps you do. In the last tutorial, we learned to showcase a portfolio with Elementor. Today, we'll do it using Shortcodes, letting you effortlessly embed and customize stunning portfolio layouts within your page builder workflow. Beyond powerful features, it comes at a cost-effective price. So let's learn. Firstly, go to the plugins to add a new plugin. So type Radius Portfolio to search this. Powered by Radius theme. Let's install it. And while done, then click on Activate. And here, this is the appearance of our required plugin. Let's back to the plugin again. Click on Add Plugin. For Upload plugin, choose the exact zip file what we have just downloaded. Let's select and click on Install now. After installing, then click on Activate plugin. Back to the plugins again, and here these are Radius Portfolio and Radius Portfolio Pro for the premium features. In this step, now go to the Radius Portfolio, and here we will set up categories. For this, to create a new category, you have to provide a title according to your demand. Then click on Add New Category to save this. Next, in the second step, we will add a portfolio. For this, provide a title and then write a description about it. Under the portfolio details, write again a short description, client name, your completed date, URL, and for the image, you can upload it from yourself. After that, go to the right side of your hand and choose the categories for this. Then set featured image. While done, now click on Publish to save this. You can preview your created portfolio from here. Now in the third step, we will create the shortcode. For this, go to the Radius Portfolio to add a new post. So provide a post title like grid layout. And according to the layout, you will get three types of layout: grid, isotope, and slider. Based on grid layout, you'll get a vast layout style to select. You can preview it one by one and see the preview below. While you are done checking all the layout style, then you can select any one from it. You can choose any numbers to display your column in per row. If you want, you can enable the pagination option, then display per page. And here this is. Next, pagination type. You can choose any type from these four given options. Again, if you want, you can also disable the pagination option. Then choose your image size along with the short description limit. Let's see the short description limit preview here. You can leave it blank for your full text. Then for the margin, you can choose any options from this. Let's select your grid style, for example masonry or the even. Then enable your detail page link and set your detail page link type. Let's go to the filtering. This include only option is the list of your post IDs to show, and same for the exclude option. You can set the number of your posts to show as limit. You can select your categories in the multiple numbers. Then for the tools, select the categories if you want to filter. For the taxonomy relation, select this option if you select more than one taxonomy. Go to the field selection now. From here, you will get several field selection options to keep or hide by enabling or disabling. Suppose if you disable the name, it will not appear anymore. Same for tag, featured image, and etc. Let's go to the styling now. From here, you can customize your primary color from this color picker. By following these steps, you can also customize your button text color, padding, overlay color, overlay opacity, and the color of your name. Then you can also change your font size for your name, along with the weight and the alignment. You can make it right, left, or center. Now, let's click on Publish to save our grid layout style. Before moving to the next step, copy and keep this shortcode. You'll need it shortly. Now the next step is how to showcase the portfolio using a shortcode. First, go to the page to add a new page. Choose a suitable title for the new page, such as Portfolio Showcase. Next, click on the plus icon, search for shortcode, and paste the shortcode you copied earlier. Then click Publish to save the page. Now let's visit the page, and this look is based on the grid layout where portfolio items are displayed in a clean, structured, and evenly aligned format. If you want to display page numbers, then go back to the Radius portfolio settings, enable the pagination option. The page numbers are visible because pagination is turned on. If you prefer a different style, go back again and change the pagination type to Load More. Update the settings, and here it is. Now at this moment, go to the shortcode generator to add a new post. So provide a suitable title for this, for example, Isotope Layout. And according to the isotope layout, you will get various layout styles to select and set. You can try each layout and preview it below. Next, for the isotope filter, you can select any item, and the next isotope filter option is for showing the all items. You can disable this item. Then you will be able to use this search option. Next, for the desktop column, you can select the numbers, how many posts you want to display. Enable or disable your pagination number, and then set your display per page number. Then set your pagination type, load more button text, and select the image size. Customize filtering in the same way we did for the grid layout. For the field selection option, like previous, you can select any field options to display or hide in your portfolio listing. Go to the style for your color customization. From here, you can customize the color for your primary button background color, button text color from this color picker, and you can see the difference from the preview shown below. Let's try the button color, how you can change it. Select any color from here and see the changes here. You can do the same process for your other options. When you feel that your color customization is complete, save the changes by clicking Update. And before moving to the next step, make sure to copy and keep this shortcode again. Let's back to the page now. Find shortcode and provide your copy shortcode to paste it here, and then click on Save. Now let's go to the page, and from here you can see all of our customization. The appearance is based on isotope layout now. Now go back to the shortcode generator again, and at this point we will create another new post. Provide a title such as Slider Layout. According to the slider layout, like isotope and grid layout, you will get various layout style. You can select any one according to your preference. Customize filtering and field selection by following the previous steps, and same for the style also. Before proceeding to the next step, be sure to copy and keep the shortcode again. And here, click on plus icon to find shortcode and paste that copied shortcode here. And in this way, you can add each of your layouts one by one. The grid layout, isotope layout, and the slider layout. And then click here to save all of these. Now let's visit the page, and here I will recreate the slider layout. And this is how you can showcase your portfolio in WordPress using shortcode. Thank you for watching this tutorial.